In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, a Christmas gift for a mother in need.
What's better than getting a ray of hope for Christmas? Well, ask Maureen Dryden of Over Rivers in St. James, who now holds the key to this new 2-bedroom dwelling built by Food for the Poor and Centerfield, a BPO company based in Montego Bay. It replaces this dilapidated building, which once housed 6 people, including 4 children. Development and Marketing Manager at Food for the Poor, Marcia Burrell-Rose, says over 5,000 people are currently on their database seeking a home, and Miss Dryden was selected.
Knowing that it's the Christmas season, knowing that the kids will be able to have shelter over their heads this Christmas, and we are so elated that they have come on board, the first call center to come on board.
Mrs. Burrell-Rose says it's more than just giving back.
We're not just going to concentrate on just giving them a house. We're also going to see how we can help them to generate an income.
Marketing specialist at Centerfield, Johanna Gardner, says helping to develop communities is part of the company's mandate.
We thought that getting on board with them would definitely benefit someone in need. So, when the opportunity came about, we just jumped right on it and, decided to partner up and to donate this house for this beautiful family that is really in need.
Miss Dryden is just happy to have a comfortable home to live in while taking care of her sick mother and her grandchildren.
I'm very, very thankful to you, Food for the Poor people, and I want to appreciate all you guys, and thank you.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Jeline Pearson.